Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions, thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to view the list of people we've blocked on Snapchat. Everything is very simple for this. You need to go to the Snapchat application. Then here you click on the top of your profile icon. You have a profile opens now here. You click on the top of the settings. Icon, click on it. Now here you go, a little lower, and look for the item called Private Control. And here we have an item called Blocked Users. Click on it. Here are all the people that we have blocked in Snapchat. In order to unblock, just click on the cross and remove it from this list, all. Now we have unblocked this person that we had blocked. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye.